what advice do you give to a newly aspiring podcaster?
Right. I think it comes down to preparation, something we spoke about before, right? And you don't have to have a fully scripted show. The early days of my show, right, they were much more scripted as far as like the exact questions I was going to ask, because I was still learning how to be a host. But what that did was, as time goes on, I went from fully, fleshed out questions to now I just have bullet points. And the reason I have bullet points is twofold. One, I want to make sure that I hit on every point that I want to get to with my guests throughout my show. Second of all, I want to make sure that my show has an arc and a story and a flow to it. Right? Because I want to take my listeners on a journey. I don't want it to be all over the place. I want it to be a logical progression of questions that I'm providing value. I'm telling that person's story, and then I'm bringing it home at the end to really tie it all together. And if you listen to any of my shows, they all have the same format, a little bit different here and there, but it takes a user and the listener on a journey.
Right, that's exactly what I do. I used to try to script everything out, and it's too hard. It's not a natural flow. And now it's bullet points, and it creates what I call open, honest, raw conversation.